Hi, today I am going to show you how to sign in to Khan Academy. This is through Clever. You need to go to Google and go to Clever login, then enter to Clever and use your student Clever badge. In this case it shows the camera, and here is the badge. Then when you are in down, and then there is an app in the dashboard named Khan Academy, and then Khan Academy is ready for you. You can go to classes, my course, so I have to pick math and then third grade math, and then however there are, as I gave to students, you can go to the top to click on the student name and then look for any notification, like all notifications. So here there are activities that your student can complete. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.